I am Swarup. I am going to discuss the topic modular arithmetic. Firstly, we discuss about modulus. What is modulus? Let a is any integer and n be the positive integer. Then we define a mod n as remainder when a is divided by n. Now the integer n is called as modulus. Let a equals to 11 and n equals to 7. Then 11 mod 7 equals to 4. Now we discuss modular arithmetic operations. There are three properties: a mod n plus b mod n equals to a plus b mod n. Similarly, a mod n minus b mod n equals to a minus b mod n. And the last property, a mod n into b mod n equals to a into b mod n. Now we demonstrate the first property, and the second and third properties are similarly we can derive them. For the first property, define a mod n as r of a and b mod n as r of b. Then we can write a equals to r of a plus jn. Let j be the some integer. For b equals to rb plus kn, let k be the some integer. Now a plus b mod n can be written as r of a plus jn plus r of b plus kn mod n. Now take n as common, and r of a plus r of b plus k plus j of n mod n. R of a plus r of b mod n. A mod n plus b mod n mod n. Similarly, we can prove the second and third properties easily. Here are some examples of those properties. 11 mod 8 equals to 3 and 15 mod 8 equals to 7. Now 11 mod 8 plus 15 mod 8 mod 8 equals to 10 mod 8 equals to 2. 11 plus 15 mod 8 equals to 26 mod 8. This is also equals to 2. So the property 1 satisfies. Similarly, for second property, 11 mod 8 minus 15 mod 8 equals to minus 4 mod 8 equals to 4. 11 minus 15 mod 8 equals to minus 4 mod 8. This is also 4. And the third property, 11 mod 8 into 15 mod 8 equals to 21 mod 8, that is equals to 5. And 11 into 15 mod 8 equals to 165 mod 8 equals to 5. So those three properties are satisfied. Now we look properties of modular arithmetic. Let Zn be the set. The set contains non-negative integers less than n. Zn equals to 0, 1, 2 and so on n minus 1. Arithmetic modulo 8. This is the table for addition modulo 8, and this is the table for multiplication modulo 8, and this table is additive and multiplicative inverse modulo 8. Now we discuss properties of modulo arithmetic for integers in Zn. Commutative laws. W plus x mod n equals to x plus w mod n, and similarly w into x mod n equals to x into w mod n. Associative laws. W plus x plus y mod n equals to w plus x plus y mod n. Similarly, w into x into y mod n equals to w into x into y mod n. Distributive laws. W into x plus y mod n equals to w into x plus w into y mod n. Identities. 0 plus w mod n is equals to w mod n. 1 into w mod n equals to w mod n. Additive inverse. For each w belongs to Zn, there exists a Z such that w plus Z equals to 0 mod n. Now we will discuss the fast powering algorithm. Let n be a very big number. It may have hundreds of digits. The best way to compute g power a is by repeated multiplication by g. Thus g is identical to g mod n, g2 is identical to g into g1 mod n, g3 is identical to g into g2 mod n, and so on. It is clear from the above that Ga is identical to g power a mod n. But if a is large, this algorithm is completely impractical. Now let us look into example. Suppose we want to compute 3 power 218 mod 1000. The first step to write 218 is sum of powers of 2. 218 equals to 2 plus 2 cube plus 2 power 4 plus so on. Then 3 power 218 becomes 3 power 218 equals to 3 power 2 plus 2 cube plus 2 power 4 plus so on. Now it can be written as 3 square into 3 power 2 cube into 3 power 2 power 4 into so on. Now this sequence is comparatively easy than the original sequence. This table shows square powers of 3 modulo 1000, and we can write 3 power 218 as 3 square into 3 power 2 cube into 3 power 2 power 4 into 3 power 2 power 6 into 3 power 2 power 7. It is identical to 489 mod 1000. Let us discuss the fast powering algorithm. It contains 3 steps. In the step 1 is compute the binary expansion of a as a equals to a0 plus a1 into 2 plus a2 into 2 square plus so on ar into 2 power r, with a0, a1, a2 and so on ar belongs to 0, 1, and we assume that ar equals to 1. Step 2, compute the powers g power 2 power I mod n for 0 less than or equals to I less than or equals to r by successive squaring. a0 is identical to g mod n, a1 is identical to a0 square is identical to g square mod n, a2 is identical to a1 square is identical to g power 2 square mod n, and so on. Each term is the square of the previous one, so this requires r multiplication. In the step 3, compute g power a mod n using the formula g power a equals to g power a0 plus a1 into 2 plus a2 into 2 square plus so on ar into 2 power r. That can be written as g power a0 into g square a1 into g power 2 square into a2 into g power 2 cube a3 and so on g power 2 power r a0 power a0 into a1 power a1 into a2 power a2 into so on ar power ar mod n, and these quantities a0, a1 and so on ar were computed in step 2. The running time of the algorithm, it takes at most 2 hour multiplications modulo n to compute g power a. Since a greater than or equals to 2 power r, we see that it takes at most 2 log to a multiplications modulo n to compute g power a. Thus, even if A is very large, like A is similar to 2 power 1000. It is easy for computer to do approximately 2000 multiplications needed to calculate 2 power a modulo n. Modular arithmetic. Thank you.